to part 3, the last installment of our 4-day Mexico City trip.
If you missed part 1 and 2, they are linked in the description down below, and they might be floating around somewhere on the screen. I don't know. I just decide as I'm editing and as I'm uploading where to put things. But we covered how we got there, we ate a bunch of awesome food, we went on a hot air balloon ride, ate lunch in a cave, and now we're gonna go on a boat. We're gonna go on a boat ride.
A trajinera.
And then on the last and final day, we went on a walk in basically what's like Central Park in Mexico City. It was beautiful and amazing. Don't forget to gently tap the subscribe button. It's the best way for you to get notified when we go on new trips. And don't forget, we take the trip so you can decide whether or not you want to. Let's kick this off. It's about 8 a.m. We're on the move.
We're the first ones up.
We are the first ones up. Yesterday was a really long day. We just know that we need to find water and coffee. I'm not 100% sure if we're going to do the activities we have planned today, but I've been looking up the boat tours about 45 minutes away. And so we'll try to hop over to that and then get some dinner. For now, let's go find some food. We tried to find the place that I went to Thursday morning, but since I accidentally found that place, we couldn't find it again. But this place is actually just on the end of the street our Airbnb was on. It's like a 2 to 3 minute walk south. No. Gracias. Listo. Nos entregamos de este lado. Gracias. Got a little bit of our attempt to order. We've been doing pretty well like the last day or so. It's been easier to order everything by forcing ourselves to speak in Spanish. Instead of being the people who show up to a rich culture and don't appreciate it, we want to immerse ourselves in it as much as possible. Yeah. Alright, we've kind of figured out the rest of the activities for the day. The other day we went to a place called Ojo de Agua, and my sister and my brother, they also want to go, so we're going to go get some breakfast there, and then we'll head on over to take the boat tour. And yeah, so we'll see you over there, show you what we get for a little bit of brunch, breakfast, lunch. Tener huevos con desa. Soy alérgico a leche.
Sin queso.
Sin queso, sin leche. Gracias.
Perfecto. Rancheros tenemos. Y cuchara y con coco. Because I'm a cheesy millennial, so I like to drink out of jars.
My dad has been doing this for 20 years.
I know, right? We used to make fun of Dad. We're sorry, Dad. We used to make fun of you for drinking out of jars and stuff when we were kids.
Whatever Nano is doing.
Yes, exactly. So whatever he's doing, whatever my dad's doing today, in 20 years, it will be a trend.
The original mixtape.
Overall, our favorite thing here was definitely the drinks. The food was good too, especially because they were able to accommodate our food allergies. I really liked the horchata con coco, so basically horchata with coconut milk in it.
And I really, really enjoyed all of the fresh juices that they had. We want to try this place. Keep walking by it. We're going to get a taco. Pastor y chorizo. Pastor no tengo. Steak? A beef steak. Get those tacos. They get like fresh right there. It's just like pulling it straight off it. We're good. Nice. Yeah, this is delicious. I'm eating the chorizo one right now. 100%. Don't judge me. 60 pesos for 4 tacos. Waiting on our Uber. We just called it Uber XL. We just swung by the Walmart to pick up some mosquito spray. It was like a 5-minute walk from where we're staying. Should be about a 45-minute Uber ride there. We got a couple drinks. We're probably just going to get the things that are on the boat. We didn't want to carry like the cooler and stuff because we wouldn't be bringing it back. But yeah, we'll see you over there. Alright, the GPS said it was 45 minutes, and it was exactly 45 minutes to Xochimilco. Beforehand, we read some stories of people getting dropped off at the wrong location.
I think that mostly had to do with people trying to get business to the other ports. This is the most packed one. We'll talk about anything that we dealt with in the full Xochimilco video. We got some drinks and made our way over to find ourselves a boat. There are plenty of things that you can get. You can get some food too if you want.
The prices are posted everywhere, so if you get told 500 pesos an hour, that's probably right. We didn't try to negotiate because it sounded pretty fair and it was what was listed. We also added on a Bluetooth speaker so that we could play our own music, and that was 150 pesos.
Alright, so if you have the opportunity to hire a band at the start, we recommend you do it. We waited till the end, and we definitely regret waiting for so long. Being on the boat was so amazing. It was really just an afternoon of hanging out with the siblings, spending quality time together with the family, and having a few drinks. Like, who doesn't have a good time just enjoying live music, dancing, having fun, and just chillaxing? Also, my little brother is the nicest and cutest human being ever. He's like, I'm gonna buy you guys some food and to make sure that you're all good with your drinks. It was roasted corn, they salted it. It was delicious though, definitely after a few hours of floating and drinking.
Before we knew it, we were at the end.
I don't want it to be over yet.
It's sad time, we're done, time to get off. It was such a good time.
Well worth it.
Definitely well worth it. We probably would actually go longer if we got to go again. Ashley wanted her little lizard, so we got her little lizard. That's the one souvenir that we'll be taking back.
This is the only thing I've bought.
The only thing that we bought here.
As I mentioned at the beginning, there are a ton of places selling food right there, so if you need to fuel up and grab something before hopping in the Uber back, it's going to be another 45 minutes. And is it even really a trip if we don't try tacos? Basically, they're delicious, so you should just try one regardless.
We are about to go to a place called Catfecito. So it's like a cat cafe where you can play with cats, hopefully, if they want to interact with me, and get coffee and treats and things. And if you wanted to, I think you could adopt the cats. And I'm very excited because literally until today, so we're here at the perfect time, they have a special Harry Potter menu, and they have on their Instagram the cats in like little Hogwarts robes, and I'm really excited in case you can't tell. So we're gonna go check that out now. It was about a 10-minute walk from our Airbnb to the cat cafe. This is a pretty small place, and I'm sure they're trying to like not overwhelm the cats with too many people at once, so be prepared that you may need to wait when you get there. They had an extensive menu of food options in addition to their seasonal Harry Potter menu. A couple of the cats graced us with their presence, so we spent a few minutes playing with them.
Last activity for us today. We're going to, wait, which park are we going to?
Chapultepec.
Alright, so we're going to walk around the park, waiting on the Uber to get here. We'll take it over there. It's like a 10-minute Uber ride, I believe, and go catch some beautiful greenery.
We walked for a minute and heard a lot of noise. We walked by the lake, and so we came over here. And as you can see, there's tons of stuff over here. Lots of vendors. Guessing it's pretty packed for a Sunday. We're going to check some things out and see if we can find anything to bring back for anybody and try to grab a quick bite to eat, just a snack.
Que pone el ombligo, que me tropiezo y que le chupo más abajo la rodilla. Welcome in Mexico, yo soy de Nesa.
Gracias, mi amigo.
You speak Spanish?
Un poco.
Poco. Come on.
Okay.
Bienvenido a la ciudad más segura. What's your name? Emmanuel. Emmanuel. My name is Brad Pitt. Más Pitt que Brad. Come on. Aquí. Moment, please. No, caca no. Tamaño. Va. A ver otra vez el tamaño. Un aplauso para Tierra. Fuerte el aplauso. Graben tus asientos. Eso. ¡Aplaudan a Tierra! ¡Un aplauso!
So that was my bad. I realized that he said 15 minutes and not 5 minutes. We had to bolt. We were going to the airport. But a group of random kids asked to take a picture with me after that, so that was kind of cute. We just took the rest of the time to walk around before heading back to get ready to fly home. There you have it, everybody. We hope that you enjoyed this 3-part series on how we spent 4 days in Mexico City.
We absolutely loved our time here, and we will definitely be back.
Make sure you click the link in the description. We're going to be putting together a travel guide. So if you want to take the exact same trip that we did and understand how much everything cost and like the transportation, just a little bit more detail, things to take into consideration, it'll be on our website and you'll be able to download that digital book. While this technically wasn't a trip that we would have picked ourselves, we are super happy that we came and got a little bit out of our normal beach comfort zone. We'll definitely, like Ashley said, we'll definitely be back again.
Let us know if you have any questions, leave us a comment, and we're happy to help.
And if you have a place that you think that we should go check out that we haven't heard of, drop it in the comments. Let us know. We'll add it to the list. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we hope that this helped you decide whether or not you wanted to make the trip
to Mexico City.
Peace.